Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay, so today let us start a new concept. It is Vaikuntham. Today I am going to tell you the story of Sri Mahavishnu. Who is he? How he look like? And where he will be? And also the shloka of Sri Mahavishnu. Let us learn. Okay, children? So let us start. Fine. So you can see here. Wow, what is this? It's a Vaikuntham. What is this, children? It's a Vaikuntham. Yes, and you can see here it is called as Vaikuntha Dwara. What is this? Vaikuntha Dwara. Golden doors. It's made of gold. Yes, and this is the entrance for Vaikuntham. They are Jaya and Vijaya. Who are they? They are the gatekeepers for the Sri Mahavishnu. Yes, he is Jaya and Vijaya. Now, let us see what is there inside. Okay, children? Wow. You can see, children? Yes? Okay, this is Vaikuntham. And who is he? Yes, you can see the Supreme God. He is the Supreme God, Lord Mahavishnu. Where he is sitting? He is sitting on the Sesha or the Sesha. What is this? A snake, big snake, serpent with the 5-headed snake. See here, how many headed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is he? He is also called as Adisesha. Yes, and you can see how beautiful Mahavishnu is. Yes, he is in which color? He is in blue color. Yes, he is wearing the crown. And he is having how many hands? 4 hands. He is having 4 hands. In 2 hands, he is holding Shanku and Chakra. See here. Yes, he is holding Shanku and Chakra. Yes, children. And another 2 hands, what he is holding? He is holding a Gada. What is this? Gada. It is also called as what? Mace. And in one more hand, what is holding? Lotus. It is called as Padma. Yes, lotus is also called as Padma. And you can see how beautiful he is, right? Yes, and here also you can see Chakra. Yes, Shanku and Chakra. And what is this? This is Nama. Yes, and now here from his navel who is coming out? See, God has created. Lord Vishnu has created Lord Brahma. Who is he? He is Lord Brahma sitting in the lotus with 4-headed. How many heads he is having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, see here. How nice, children. You can see this. Yes, from his Nabi. It is called as Nabi, and also in English we say that it is navel. From his navel he is coming out. Yes, and this side. Who is she? She is the goddess Mahalakshmi. She is the wife of Sri Mahavishnu. See here. Yes, and she is the goddess of her wealth and fortune. Yes, you can see here, right? How beautiful the waves are. Wow. And where is he? Yes, they are on, see here, background, you can see here, we see the water. Yes, children. And this is, he is the Garuda. Who is he? He is Garuda. He is Garuda, the vehicle, eagle god. He is the eagle god, Garuda. And he is the vehicle. Vehicle means Vahana. Yes, he is the Vahana for Lord Mahavishnu. Now we will be having bike to go, or we will be going in the cart outside, right? So like that for Mahavishnu, he will take everywhere. Yes. Mahavishnu will sit on him, and Lord Garuda Mummy, that is eagle god, he will take everywhere, children. See here, yes, he is the Vahana. And who is he this side? This side is Lord Hanuma. Who is he? Lord Hanuma, and he is a big devotee. Yes, like us. He is a big devotee of him. See here. So right side, who is he? Garuda. And left side is Lord Hanuman. And in this side, see here, on the right hand side, always the chakra. Yes, on right hand side, God is holding the chakra in finger, with finger. You can see, children. And left hand side, what he is holding? He is holding Shanku. It's also called as what? Conch. Yes. And he is see here in one more hand the lotus. Wow. Lotus is in pink color, right? Yes. Okay. And it is called as Padma. And what is this? It is a mace. Mace means what? Gada, which is having so much of power. Yes, children. And now I will tell you the shloka. Okay? Yes. Shantakaram Bhujanashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwagaram Gaganashadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Vidyanagamyam Vande Vishwam Bhavavaranyam Sarvalokaikanaatham. That means he is he. Who is he? Lord Mahavishnu sleeping. He is taking rest on the shoulders, right? On where? On the Sesha. Yes, holding what? Shanku Chakra in two hands, and other two hands is holding Padma. Yes, Padma is lotus and Gada. See here how beautiful it is. And with whom he is sitting? He is sitting with Lord Goddess Lakshmi Devi. Yes, on the way they are sitting on the Sesha, and he will protect us. Yes, children. Who is he? Who is the universe? He is the God of universe who protects us from, yes, and Goddess Lakshmi, she is the goddess of what? Wealth and fortune. Okay, children, hope you like the story. See you for the next week. And I will repeat once again the shloka. Okay, children, once again I will repeat. Shantakaram Bhujanashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganashadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Vidyanagamyam Vande Vishwam Bhavavaranyam Sarvalokaikanaatham. Okay, children? Okay. See you. And this is the Vaikunta Loka. Yes. Hope you enjoy the story. Yes. And please learn the shloka. Yes, children. Okay, if you like the story, like, share, subscribe. Okay. Thank you. See you next week, children. Bye-bye.